But to your point, so many companies just can't get the basic, like they can't run a basic report because the data is such a mess. And then you start throwing in AI as a potential option. People get all excited about AI and think, oh, that's cool. Let's use all these AI capabilities. Well, AI doesn't do crap for you if you don't have good data. I mean, if you've got bad data, you're just wasting money by trying to get AI to work for you. So do you see that being a pitfall or an obstacle to companies
Well,
fully?
I almost, and this is just like with any, I guess, shift like this, it just a lot is being thrown at you at once.
Mm,
We are so not prepared kind of for that moment. I don't think we really walked into 2025 thinking this is what we have to deal with, right? Literally, we're in March and everyone's dealing with it. And I don't know if January 1 that was on the top of the resolution list, right? Like it sort of has just sort of been flooded in terms of me, it has been, but just in general, I think a lot of companies have been thrown into this and they feel a bit surprised and they turn around and they see all these tools. And it's just like, so you can do this and you can do that. And so they're seeing the advanced elements of it. And that is kind of what's jogging. AI is very feature oriented right now. Everyone wants to tell you their AI feature, and that's almost clouding the back end. It's almost like you can see the UI and all the pretty things that's happening, but you don't know how the application was actually built. And on the back end, it kind of tells a different story. And that to me is where the data lives, because if you really want to empower your AI strategy, then you'll do something on the data. The data part of this story can't be ignored, right? Like so they kind of work in unison depending upon what your strategy is. Sure, if you just want to use features, go feature yourself to death. You can go chat GPT it, or use one of the more popular faces. ERP systems have incorporated these quick, nice, kind of easy ways to sell their program. They say, hey, we have this AI feature or that AI feature. And so, you almost have to ask yourself, when am I in AI and when am I not in AI? You almost feel like you're Neo in the Matrix. You're like, so when am I in it and when am I not in it? Like, how does it work? And still you have this back end that is where all of your data lives.
I think that's why products and companies such as Snowflake have done so well, because they're sort of taking advantage of the fact that organizations have these data silos and different
Yeah.
systems and all that stuff.